Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of the new T-Mobile 5G high-speed internet gateway. Before we unbox it, let's head over to the website and let's see what it says. So the T-Mobile home internet is going to be $60 a month with AutoPay. So if you already have an existing T-Mobile account, all they will do is add this service to your bill. So right under $60 a month, it says no price hikes, no equipment fees, no annual service contracts, high-speed internet, reliable connection, and simple setup, 24/7 support. Now we all know if you have Spectrum or any other service provider, they are going to charge you for their equipment. So if you have any of their equipment, they're going to charge you a monthly fee. When I was talking to the representative from T-Mobile on the phone, he made me agree that once I was done with the service that I would return this device. So if we keep scrolling down, it says fixed price, Wi-Fi equipment included, no annual service contracts, and no data caps. So if you keep scrolling down, right at the bottom of the page, you will be able to check your availability to see if this service is available where you are. So the reason why I decided to try this out is after running a few speed tests on the T-Mobile 5G network, I was getting over 400 megabits per second. My current AT&T internet service provider gives me about 15 megabits per second, and that is all the service that I can get where I live. So we are going to try this new T-Mobile service out and we'll see how it performs. All right, so let's get to the unboxing. On the front of the box, this is all you see: high-speed internet gateway, 4G, 5G. On the side, T-Mobile sign. On the back, you get what's included: T-Mobile high-speed internet gateway, a quick start guide, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. On the top, you will see that the model says Nokia 5G gateway. So let's open it up. All right, so this is what we have: the T-Mobile Internet High-Speed Gateway Quick Start Guide. Move that to the side. We have the Cat 5. We have a Cat 5e. Looks like a pretty long power adapter. The gateway measures about 8.5 inches. Here's the top of it. Looks like it has an LCD screen right at the top. And at the bottom is going to have your model number and some other information. Right on the back of it, you have two LAN ports, LAN 1, LAN 2. A telephone port that is covered, so not sure if that will ever be usable. We have a USB-C port, on and off switch, a UPS port, and the power. So we are going to power it up and see what it looks like up here on this LCD. I'm going to push the power button. All right, I had to change the settings on the camera. You can almost see it. It says languages, English or Spanish. We're going to click English, hit the little check mark on the bottom. And it says downloading the T-Mobile Home Internet mobile app. So this device is not fully set up. I just wanted to show you this LCD screen and what settings it has in it. So the first one will be connection. You see that we only have 2 bars, not that good. One device connected. So we're not done with the full setup. It says it's charging 3%. Under settings, you have languages. And that's all it has under settings. Alerts, no alerts. And messages. It says it's great that you joined T-Mobile Questions. There's a place where you can find instant must-have answers. And we're back to the connection. Only 2 bars, and what you have to do with these devices is go around the house and see where it picks up the best connection. So right now we're going to do a speed test on AT&T so you can see how slow $70 a month for AT&T is compared to this T-Mobile, this new T-Mobile high-speed internet. So this is AT&T. Fifteen megabits per second, 11. Horrible. Check that upload. So now we are going to switch it over to the T-Mobile internet. There you go, it's connected to T-Mobile. We're back here, T-Mobile, it's connected to this router. This router only has 2 bars right now. And it does have Wi-Fi 6, so it has the latest Wi-Fi. So that is only 2 bars. $524 download. That is pretty impressive. So this is all I have for today. If you guys would like to see more speed test videos on this new high-speed T-Mobile internet, let me know in the comments below. I gotta find a good place for it so we get a better signal. I want to thank everyone who has supported this channel by subscribing. So if you would also like to support this channel, all you have to do is subscribe and like the video. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.